I just bought my first plane ticket. So I'm going to Chicago Monday morning. Okay, so I'm a few days out from my trip to Chicago and I'm only gonna be there for a couple of days. It's literally gonna be, I think, 3 nights. I wanted to go ahead and get an idea of what I'm packing and the outfits that I'm gonna be bringing. So I'm gonna be there for 3 nights and I think 4 days, 2 of those being travel days. But the first travel day is gonna dub as a day in the city as well because I'm flying in early enough that I'll have enough time to really get a chance to explore the city. So because I'm only there a few days, I'm gonna be bringing my trusty carry-on. So I'm trying to plan out outfits right now. I know that I want something good and, well, I want a few good like casual outfits that can keep me cool and comfortable while I'm walking around the city because I know I'm going to be sweating a lot, but I want to do my best to create some like really cool, interesting looks. So since I've just done some laundry and I'm a couple days out, I figured now would be a good time to go ahead and start wrapping my brain around what I want to wear. And then this is also the fun part of packing too because nothing's like dire. So it's really just like the fun play part of it all. So I have one outfit in mind right now and I thought I'd share behind the scenes of that process with you guys right now. I have the base of the outfit picked out. I don't know what it would look like on, so I'm about to try it on. And then from there, I'll be able to establish what else I want to do and how I want to accessorize the look, or if I want to change some component of the look altogether. So I thought I'd go ahead and show you guys that process now. So this is what I have already picked out. These shorts are so fun. I love the color. They're just I think they're from Walmart actually. They're a little bit big on me, but they have the drawstring so that I can tie it at the waist. And then I like this blue Guns N' Roses band tee with it, or one of the better options I had to pair with the bottoms. And then I thought it would be fun to have like a high sock with it to make it like kind of more sporty and give it a little extra touch. And then for shoes, I just have classic white high top Converse. I don't have a lot of shoe options in general, but I felt like this would be best, especially since I'm gonna be walking around the city a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna put that on right now. Okay, so this is the outfit so far. So far, I'm not terribly mad at it, but it also looks like I play field hockey. So for stylistic touches, I went ahead and tucked these strings in because I definitely know that I want to shorten them because I think they're just way too long and awkward. I've got the shirt front tucked and then I tucked the back in a little bit, so I think whenever I do wear it, I'm gonna wear it fully tucked in. And then I was thinking it would be really cool to take the strings that I'm gonna cut off and take whatever's left, or take some of it and either do like a half up half down situation and tie some of the ribbon there to make it more girly, or I don't know, I feel like I could incorporate that somewhere. I don't know exactly what I want to do or how I want to take it yet. I feel like this string might be too skinny to put up in the hair. I don't know, I want to make it a little bit more feminine and a little less like field hockey vibes. I feel like it's very masculine right now. I thought about for stylistic choice taking the sleeves and rolling them in and making it kind of like a muscle tank situation, but then again that also makes it a lot more masculine. So I'm gonna be really heavily relying on the accessorizing of this to make it feel more feminine, because right now it's definitely very like edgy rocker, like masculine vibe. This is what it looks like with that like muscle tank look. We can get it to focus. I think what could be really cool and feminine is to do a bit of a red lip with it, and that'll definitely tie in the red rose on the back of the shirt. To zhuzh it up a little bit, I threw on my Zara brown blazer that I basically wear with everything. I've worn this thing so many times. It's like the perfect like staple, and I've just got it draped over my shoulders. I feel like that'll be really nice because this is a very lightweight blazer, and then because it is Chicago and it's the windy city, if it does happen to get a little bit windy, I can throw it on, but it's not too hot. Yeah, it's not too hot to have it just like draped over the shoulders like this. Definitely dresses it up and classes it up a little bit. And then I feel like just a classic like sunglass will be really cool with this. I have my hair in a classic classic half up, half down. And then I feel like whenever I have it like that, I really want to zhuzh up the bottom half so it's not like flat and sticking to my head. And then I have on a red lip, and this red actually matches really well with the rose on the back of the Guns N' Roses shirt. This is an old Maybelline Scarlet Flame 090 on my lips, and this is taking forever to zoom. And then I just have on my classic everyday gold rings on this hand, and then this blue ring that has slowly creeped into my everyday rings jewelry. I have on just these really big, obnoxious fake diamonds. I think they're from Claire's. I've honestly had them for so long and I could not tell you where they're from, but I feel like that's really nice. Easy, casual, simple outfit, and it's super comfortable, and I feel like it's pretty cool. It's giving me a little bit of like 80s vibes, I'm not gonna lie. I think it's like the pop of color and then the tie-dye, and then honestly just my hair for whatever reason. I guess it's like the athletic vibe of it all too. I don't know. So this is an option for Chicago. We'll create some more outfits and see if this gets packed in with the mix or not. But like I said, this is just a really fun way to experiment with everything I have in my closet right now and to play around without it being a dire time crunch ordeal to pack. And then my other tip would be, whenever you've created an outfit and, you know, you're deciding whether or not to leave it in the mix, what I like to do is I like to take photos of the outfits. So I take really cringy, bad mirror selfies just to get a glimpse and see what the outfit looks like. So backing it up, make sure you can see everything. Okay, so this is the photo, and then I just make a folder. I make a photo album in my phone of all potential outfits. And then the good thing about doing this process and playing around and experimenting is if you don't use these outfits for this trip, you then have a photo book of outfit ideas ready to go whenever you're trying to get dressed. So it makes it so much easier. It's a few days later. It's actually the night before I leave for my trip. So I went by H&M today to pick up some more clothes. And then I also went to a shoe store and picked up some sandals that I thought could be good for the airport and then just walking around the city. So I got these really cute silver gray metallic Birkenstock. I think these will be great for the airport because I can easily just slide them on and off through TSA. And then they're comfortable and supportive enough to walk around throughout the city. It's a good neutral sandal, but it also has that like fun sheen to it. So it's timeless, but it's also a little bit trendy, which I really like. So I have an idea of wearing these with, I think I want to wear a dress tomorrow and then have a sweater to throw over on the plane just in case I get cold. So whenever I get done packing tonight, we'll see if that's what I end up wearing. I do have to alter the straps on the dress a little bit if that's the route I'm gonna take. So that's what I got for shoe wise for my trip, and then they'll also work really well for my beach trip that's coming up too. And then clothing wise, I just went to H&M to pick up a few basic pieces. So I got these shorts. These are really nice zebra print linen shorts, super lightweight, fun neutral print, but this is what they look like. Let's see if it'll, no, it still has like a bit of a whitewash to it, but these will be really good. I don't know if I'm gonna pack these. I think I will. And then I also got these pink linen high-waisted shorts. I got them in an extra small so that they would fit my waist, and because I have pretty average, because my legs are pretty average in length, I went with an extra small so that I wasn't completely drowning in the shorts. The only thing though is my hip to waist ratio is pretty drastic. So it's definitely a struggle to like get them up over my hips. But whenever I do, they fit on my waist pretty nicely. And the length isn't as awkward on me because if I get the size small, it's not gonna fit my waist as well. And then they're gonna be a little bit longer. And I think it's just gonna be all wrong. So these I might end up returning. I only know this because I tried them on right before I sat down to film this. Had I tried them on in store, I don't know if I would have purchased them. So I'm still up in the air about whether or not to keep those. And then I got just this basic white tank in a size medium. These tank tops from H&M are so good. I have a like natural tan color one and it fits so nicely. And I sized up, like I said, in a size medium for both of these. And they just fit so nicely. Like they have become one of my favorite spring summer staples. Like they're so nice to just throw on. And I love how thick this material is. Like a bra is not gonna show through this. And I think that's really nice in a tank top, especially in women's tank tops. I feel like those tend to be a little bit more lightweight. And sorry about that, my camera battery just died, so I wanted to finish up the haul, so I had to switch over to my phone. But I only have 2 more items. So these shorts, I love this color. I think they are so cute. I feel like this would be such a nice short to wear either just like walking around the city or even like the beach or just like to bed. And I've got a little bit of a fake tan on right now, so I feel like the fake tan, and then as I progressively get more tan, the yellow will look so nice on me. But these are kind of like a same sort of ordeal as the pink shorts, where they fit my waist, and once I get them up over my hips, they fit really nicely on my body. It's just a matter of getting them up over my hips is a little annoying. But these were clearance for $5, so I can't return them, but I don't think that'll be too much of a problem. Like, they fit and they're pretty nice, and it was only $5, so what are you gonna do? And then the last thing I got was just this classic oversized baby blue like dress shirt. It's just a nice basic piece, like you can't go wrong with it whatsoever. So I'm definitely gonna pack this. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it to the airport tomorrow, but I'm definitely packing it with me in some capacity. So that's everything that I picked up today. I still have only packed 1 outfit for the trip. So because it's like now down to the final minute, I need to finish packing. I put it off until the last possible minute, but I'm not gonna bring too much. I'm trying to be very conservative. And only bring what I know I'm gonna use and what I know I need to bring. Okay, so this is the second outfit I've put together for my trip to Chicago. So this is the H&M button-down shirt, the oversized shirt I showed you in the haul, and the shirt is definitely way more oversized than I expected. It fits long enough to be a dress, so I've taken that idea and I've ran with it. I have this bodysuit on that I've been wearing all day. It's just a white tank top bodysuit, and I think I'm actually gonna wear it with this whenever I go out. That way I don't have to worry about like flashing anyone, or you know, because it'll act as underwear and it'll keep everything kind of together. But I've also added this belt to cinch in my waist, so it's not just a sheet of fabric basically. And then I've just been trying it on with these long Nike socks that I put together with the other outfit. So I don't know if I'll actually end up wearing the long socks whenever I wear this in Chicago, or if I'll just wear regular socks, but it's kind of fun to play around with. But I've just put on these like men's loafers that are super comfortable, and I didn't love the socks all the way up. I felt like it looked too much like the original like baseball uniforms for women. So I just, you know, pushed the socks down, and then I was thinking of applying this lip. I just got this yesterday. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Gloss in the shade Posy, I think it is. Will it focus? Yeah, 135 Posy. So I'm gonna put this on my lips and see if I like that. And then I wanna do a statement earring. So I've pulled, this is like really the only like sparkly statement earring I have, or really one of the only statement earrings I have. But I felt like these would be really fun with it and to dress it up a little bit. So I'm gonna add both of those things and I'll show you what that looks like. I love the color of this lip gloss. It reminds me of kids makeup and just like Barbie glittery funness. But I also had the idea of bringing out the flat back rhinestones and either doing a few in my hair, like keeping like a really slicked bun like this and putting a few in my hair, or I could take my hair down, wave it a little bit, or get a little bit of like texture to it and maybe put a few in that way. Yeah, I feel like whenever I do this, it just makes more sense to put my hair up. So originally I was gonna pack that Free People printed maxi dress that I was talking about, but during the night of packing, I accidentally messed up the straps, and then it was hard to hand sew it back together with acrylic nails on, and it all was just becoming too much. So I ultimately ended up ditching that outfit, and I ended up wearing just the yellow shorts that you saw in the H&M haul earlier, and a white tank with a sweater over it, and then the silver metallic Birkenstocks. And that ended up being my airport outfit,
which you'll see in the next video. But I just wanted to jump on here and show you the last outfit I packed. So the last outfit I ended up creating and packing was the animal or the zebra printed neutral shorts from H&M. And then I paired that with that like neutral beige tan tank top that I mentioned earlier but didn't show in the haul because I already had it. And then I really utilized that Zara brown blazer and added that over it, and then just slid on my silver metallic Birkenstocks. And that was the last outfit I created and packed for the trip. This is it for the first part of this video. I'm gonna go through my footage now and see if I have enough to make an actual Chicago vlog. I did film a few things there, but I did not film enough of Chicago itself in order for it to be a good travel vlog. See you guys next week for next week's video. Bye.